ថ្ងៃនេះទៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងវិញឯងមានអារម្មណ៍មិនដែរ friend ហ្នឹងហើយចាំមើលទៅដល់អ្នកស្រុកអ្នកភូមិប្រកាសជាសួរនាំហើយថាតើជីវិតនៅបរទេសវាយ៉ាងម៉េចសំខាន់ណាស់កុំឲ្យគេដឹងថាយើងទៅធ្វើខ្ញុំគេអញ្ចឹងឯងឈប់ហៅអញថាកធឿនទៀតហើយអញឈ្មោះ Jennifer ឥឡូវលឺនៅហើយថ្ងៃក៏ឈប់ហៅអញថាសុបទៀតដែរអញឈ្មោះសាចាំពីពេលនេះទៅអូខេហើយអញ្ចឹងកុំនិយាយខ្មែរទៀតយើងនិយាយតែអង់គ្លេសព្រោះយើងរៀនបានតាមអ្នកគ្រូដាខ្លះៗដែរតា Yes we near ដល់ home already Yes friend we miss you home very much កធឿនតើមកដល់ស្រុកខ្មែរតាំងពីអង្ការក្មួយនឹកដល់ហើយនេះពិតជាស្រស់ស្អាតខ្លាំងណាស់មកពីប្រទេសគេវិញស្អាតខ្លាំងមែនតែម្ដងហើយ Hey you who are you I don't know you you can speak English I cannot speak Khmer I go live outside for a long time I cannot speak Khmer anymore okay ស្អីគេកធឿនទៅធ្វើការនៅក្រៅប្រទេសយូរនិយាយសត្វភាសាសំស្ក្រឹតអ៊ំស្ដាប់យល់តែក្មួយអើយនិយាយខ្មែរមកក្មួយ Me cannot speak what you say if you cannot speak English please go Me need to buy something okay bye Friend me go outside មិញអ៊ំស្អីគេនោះខំ and cannot speak English to me she speak Khmer only so me say me don't know her so me walk and don't like her at all you know Yes, right friend. If she cannot speak English, don't speak to her, okay? Forget her, okay? Me go to good water in bathroom now. Wait me, eat dinner, okay friend? Yes friend, go water go. Give fast me go cook some food for dinner now, okay? Hey, why is this gas not hot? Maybe because no one used for a long time. Huh? Help! Help! Hot! Help! Hot! How? Help! Help! Hot! 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 Everyone help! What friend? What friend? Why you speak so very strong? Help! No one help! Help! A very hot! How? No one help! Please! Can the car police? Water car please! Please call water car hot now! What you speak? Me no understand you. លំបយោចេញមកលឿនមកភ្លើងឆេះផ្ទះងាប់ទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវអីវើយតែហៅឡានទឹកមកមិនមែនខាវ៉ាត់ធ្វើស្អីទៀតទេវើយឲ្យលឿនងាប់ឥឡូវហើយរវល់និយាយអង់គ្លេសស្អីទៀតឡានទឹកមកអូយមានលំបយោនេះមិននិយាយខ្មែរតាំង